How to change margins in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change the margin. First of all, open the application. Now you can select the book that you're reading. So here I'm tapping on one. So I have been entered. Now simply double tap on this interface. So here there are different tools available now. Here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Simply tap on this AA icon. Now here there are different tools and options. Simply select layout. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called margins. So this is the section where it customizes the text how you want to be. So here basically here are three different options. So here you can select any three different options. Now if you go back, it has completely been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.